Hello guys, I'm Tobias, a Python backend developer. Today I'm going to share my new project, bitmap-to-vector, via the WeChat app servers. Until now, the app has over 2,800 users. The backend is built with FastAPI with modern APIs. When you upload an image, Celery and Redis handle the processing in the background, and my vectorized is based on Potrace with several enhancements and optimism. For monitoring, I use Prometheus and Grafana. Open this website to view some basic mastery. Okay, next let's see how this app server works. First, follow our official WeChat account, then simply send the email to it, and wait a second, you will receive an automatic reply with your vectorized results. Okay, next let's see the code. I split into 3 parts. One is APIs to catch the WeChat's webhook message. Okay, and another is process the vectorized in the background using Celery and Redis. And then is database. About the database, I'm using SQLite. Since this is a very small scale project, it is only required 2 tables, one for storing users' information and another for payment records. The whole workflow is async and efficient. With every details I wrote in the README file. And to run it locally, just follow these steps. First, clone it and install it and launch it. That's all. And finally, I specialize in building scalable backend system with Python. I'm open to remote opportunities worldwide. Check my GitHub for code or connect or linking. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.